Stunning photos where nature tried to amaze us all, and actually succeeded. What is Dowager's hump and how to fix it? People who haven't quite figured life out yet. 20 touching photos capable of melting the most insensitive of hearts. Take a look at your feet and see what they say about your health. Photos that will make your inner perfectionist feel extremely satisfied. 24 pictures where the background tells the whole story. 30 photos of the totally hilarious creatures we call dogs. Minimalist single and tattoo ideas that may inspire you to get inked. 26 photos that can calm you down better than chamomile tea. Science explains how much sleep we really need depending on our age.